Hi guys, in this video I want to give you the instructions for your project for this last term. As we mentioned in class, you have to make a presentation using this online source. Genially, we'll work about that in class. So basically, in groups of four, you have to create a presentation about our island, and you will present it in front of the Italian exchange students. So I think that would be a good opportunity to speak about our island. So there will be four different groups. Group one, you will talk about geography of the island, how many people live here, different towns, climate we have, etc. Group number two, that would be about traditions, festivals, typical food, etc. Group number three, then that would be things to do, places to visit, nightlife, bars, discos, etc. And group number four, that would be like um, um, if you worked in tourism, a suggestion for a 5-day scheduled visit to Ibiza. That is to say, ideas for what to do, what to see during these 5 days. Okay, I continue in the next slide. So, in order to do this presentation, what are the steps you should follow? So here I'll tell you. Then, first step would be finding information about the topic, okay, using the internet, etc. Different data you will need. Number two, as I always insist on, you should structure your presentation. Think about the order of everything you want to say. Number three, that's also important because you need to look for images or very short videos in order to have this visual aid for your speech. Then number four, that then with Genially, you have to design your presentation, making it attractive. And then finally, number five, choose who in the group will say each part and in which order, and important, rehearse. And finally, please, there are always mistakes, so you can ask me, I can help you to check your presentation. Okay, so I'll continue in the last slide. Okay, guys, so just here, last slide. This is a useful tutorial, a video I would like you to have a look at in order to familiarize yourself with Geniali. Okay, so I'll leave you with the video.
Hi, my name is Arina and I want to show you how to use genially just in 4 minutes. Every day lots of content are created all over the world. If you want to impress your audience with your creations and make them stand among others, it's easy. Spice them with some movement and interactivity thanks to genially. With Genially, the only limit is your imagination. You can create fast and easily spectacular presentations, animated infographics, microsites, resumes, or even interactive images, as many other things without any previous knowledge of design or programming. Do you want me to teach you how to do it? Well then, let's do it. At first instance, you should decide what would you like to create, whether you start from scratch or by using one of our many templates we have at your disposal for free. If you've decided to make use of a template, you just have to select it. For this video, we're going to use this poster. Et voila, here is your workspace. We will make use of the left sidebar, also known as the Actions panel, to create things and make them come to life. In the upper menu, you can configure the general settings, like title and other Genially related stuff, like tooltips, design, page size, or sharing capability. There is a small gray bar below this upper menu where specific element settings will appear when you are editing an element. In the selected poster you can change the background. In this case we will be playing with the background color and opacity of the given image. You can also change the color of different elements such as color or shape and even typography. You can add some animations and interactivity to elements, add pins with location, a video, a document, or whatever you wish to. You can choose to use model windows and tooltips. If previewed, we notice that a tag is activated by passing the mouse over and a window when clicking on the element. If we go back to the panel at our work selection, we'll see that our project has been saved since the content in Genially is saved automatically. Now let's try to create a presentation. In this page you can change the colors of the elements or add new ones. When you create a new page, you can embed a video, a tweet, a map, or whatever you imagine. Here you can add photos using Genially resources or use one from your computer and upload it into the presentation. We also have integrated Pixabay, one of the most important free image banks where you can search for images directly from Genially. We also have Giphy to spice up your presentation with millions of GIFs. Well then, let's preview our work. To make it easier, we can always use the design mode that has two options, element mode and layers mode. With element mode, you can modify characteristics of the selected element, such as width or height, or even rotation. With layers mode, you can sort it up or down to reorder elements' position, block it, or even make use of the special hide functionality if you need it. Sharing a Genially is very simple. You can choose to do it through social networks with a link, or including these interactive contents directly in your website or blog with our custom code. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Genially offers a free version but also offers paid licenses for those who are looking for certain characteristics, such as changing the privacy of their creations, public or private, downloading them in PDF or HTML5, or remove the watermark. I hope this tutorial is useful for every of you. Don't forget to follow us in our social networks to keep up with all the news and features we will be launching soon. You can also visit our blog Do Genially if you're looking for inspiration or want to see some great examples and step-by-step tutorials. So what are you waiting for? It's time to do great things and bring your content to life.